What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete your Facebook account on a mobile app. Start by opening the Facebook app and tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This brings up the main menu. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and then tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look for the option that says See More in Account Center and tap on it. This takes you into the Account Center, where your profile and personal details are managed. From here, scroll down and tap on Personal Details. If you don't see this right away, or if Facebook changes the layout in the future, you can use the search icon in the top right. Tap on it and type Deletion. This search term works better than just typing delete. Once the result shows Personal Details under Account Center, tap on it. Next, scroll down and tap on Account Ownership and Control. This section handles account deactivation and deletion. Tap on it, and you will see two options. Choose Deactivation or Deletion. When asked which account you want to manage, select Facebook. Now choose the Delete Account option to permanently remove your Facebook account. Tap Continue and then follow the prompts. You will see some reminders here. Facebook lets you know that deleting your account will also remove access to Messenger, and that you might want to download your data first or transfer it elsewhere. Continue through the steps, and when prompted, enter your password to confirm. On the final screen, tap the Delete Account button to finish the process. Keep in mind, Facebook gives you a 30-day grace period. If you log back into your account within those 30 days, the deletion will be cancelled, and your account will be restored. After 30 days, the account and all associated data will be permanently removed. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.